Life extension. This is also relating to technologies only. So now we can discuss about life extension. Is the concept of extending the human lifespan either modestly through improvements in medicine or dramatically by increasing the maximum lifespan beyond its generally settled limit of 125 years. Several researchers in the area along the life extensionists, immortalists, immortalities, immortalists, or longevists, those who wish to achieve longer lives themselves, postulate the future breakthroughs in tissue rejuvenation, stem cells, regenerative medicine, molecular repair, gene therapy, pharmaceuticals, and organ replacement, such as with artificial organs or xenotransplantations, will eventually enable humans to have indefinite lifespans, that is, agresia, through complete rejuvenation to a healthy, youthful condition. The ethical ramifications in if life extension becomes a possibility are debated by bio, biotic, bioethicists. Bioethicists. The sale of purported anti-aging products such as supplements and hormone replacement is a lucrative global industry. For example, the industry that promotes the use of hormones as a treatment for consumers to slow or reverse the aging process in the US market generated about $50 billion of revenue a year in 2009. The use of such products, however, has not been proven to be effective or safe. Average and maximum lifespan. During the process of aging, an organism accumulates damage to its micromolecules, cells, tissues, and organs. Specifically, aging is characterized as and thought to be caused by genomic instability, telomere attrition, epigenetic alterations, loss of proteostasis, stasis, proteostasis, that is proteostasis, that is proteostasis, deregulated nutrient sensing, mitochondrial dysfunction, cellular sensing, stem cell exhaustion, and altered intracellular communication, oxidation damage to cellular contents caused by free radicals is believed to contribute to aging as well. The longest documented human lifespan is 122 years, 164 days. The case of Jean Calment, who, according to records, was born in 1875 and died in 1997, whereas the maximum lifespan of a wild type mouse, commonly used as a model in research ongoing, is about 3 years. Genetic differences between humans and mice that may account for these different aging rates, including differences in efficiency of DNA repair, antioxidant defenses, energy metabolism, proteostasis maintenance, and recycling mechanisms such as autophagy. The average lifespan in a population is lowered by infant and child mortality, which are frequently linked to infectious diseases or nutrition problems later in life, metabolism later in life, vulnerability to accidents, and age-related chronic disease such as cancer or cardiovascular disease play an increasing role in mortality. Extension of expected lifespan can often be achieved by access to improved medical care, vaccinations, good diet, exercise and avoidance of hazards such as smoking. Maximum lifespan is determined by the rate of aging for a species inherent in its genes and by environmental factors. Widely recognized methods of extending maximum lifespan in model organisms such as nematodes, flies, and mice include caloric restriction, gene manipulation, and administration of pharmaceuticals. Another technique uses evolutionary procedures such as breeding from only older members or altering levels of extrinsic mortality. Some animals such as hydra, planarian, flatworms, and certain sponges, corals, and jellyfish don't die of old age and exhibit potential immortality. This is the information regarding life extension of so many living beings. Wishing you all the best.